All right, mate. So quick. I do like it. What I don't like is the fact that it's so new. It's crazy new. Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes that can be a bonus, and it can really run as well. But sometimes it can be a hindrance that it fails and then rolls over again to maybe new lows, and then allows the price of the coin. Wrong one. The price of the coin to be down a significant amount. You can see it's only 62% down. I generally like to see something down 70%, but you know, there is no rule or law on that. It probably depends on when the market becomes hot again, and you can see, well, the market started to become hot here and we got that pump. I would trade this on day by day at this point, unless you're a long-term investor and maybe you know more about it than me. Maybe there's some sort of fundamental stuff that I am unaware of, but I would trade this on a daily basis for me personally and see if there can be continuations to the upside. But you can see here you get one green day, a bullish engulfing green day, and you get a second day to the upside. You can see the same here, and you can see the same here. So it's had a history of that. So I would attempt to trade a new day and see if this can get that push higher. Now, DGB, well, this must be on my chart from last time. Price was right down. Look where it was. Bloody hell, it was nil in the bottom. And I said we're going to go higher from right here. It must have been right here. And I said we're going to go higher from here and then consolidate in here, you know, before breaking out. And I was pretty close. It went higher than expected. And then the consolidation period was even higher than what I had thought. And that's what, you know, when I'm drawing these blocks out, that's what I'm kind of getting at. Push up and then consolidation. But anyway, I do like this. It needs to somehow start breaking above these moving averages again, and it's kind of struggling in the fact that, you know, a lot of other coins are up here at least in this compression. So there's relative weakness here in the market in DGB. There is slight weakness and it's not performing very well. So that is a warning sign. What if Bitcoin broke down now and Bitcoin had a pullback? Well, this is likely to roll over to new lows, or at least down to take out these lows. So you got to be careful with coins with relative weakness. If the market holds up, this can turn into a bullish structure, but you just have to be aware that there is relative weakness in this. It's almost an identical pattern to a lot of these coins, though. You know, just the rest of them kind of have had that breakup. Now, don't get me wrong, one day could change this. You get one 3-day candle back up to here, whatever, and that is very possible. And then you're starting to think that it's more bullish again. So that's all you need, really. And you can see this pop up here on the RSI. You know, it's looking half decent here, and you can see, suppose nothing really identical. Maybe here, maybe you get the push up from the lows, you consolidate here, and then the second leg higher brings us out of the bear market. And obviously, well, we moon from there. But this could be something similar here. The fact that we've pushed up, creating a bit of a bull flag, and we've pushed up and creating a bit of a bull flag as well. Again, I would trade it the same as the last coin I just looked at. You know, take it day by day or 3-day by 3-day, and you could buy this here right now with a stop below this 3-day candle, or probably even better, wait 10 hours and trade the new 3-day candle. You know, if we flip green, you can look to see if this is going to get that pop. This is an inside bar here, and sometimes after inside bars you get the move. Now, if we look back here, it's not identical, but you can see we had a move up and then an inside bar, and from the inside bar we continued to the upside. Maybe this is something similar here. You know, it got the inside bar into resistance. See right here? It kind of built this base, and then we got the inside bar, and from the inside bar it moved off. Now we have something slightly similar where we have created that base, and now we're creating the inside bar. We're creating this sort of base and inside bar. Maybe this wants to move on a new 3-day. So that's the way I would play it. In 10 hours time, look to get on board if you really want to trade this.